Hello, welcome to or back to the Boyfriends Club. I am Godvisser. um, yeah, okay, so today I'm doing Hinge swipe number 2. Yes. Um, this is the one where you can only like 5 people, so let's see if I can make it to 5 in a certain amount of minutes that I haven't determined. Okay, I'm just gonna undo some people. J44. Um, he is athletic, and oh no, he's rapping. He's a 40. Only like you can only rap at 44 if you've been rapping since your 20s. I think that should be and sorry, like successfully rapping. Like, it's okay for Kanye to rap. I wish that's all he would do, but I think he's around that age. This is just like some dude in his closet rapping. Gotta go. Okay, S29. The hallmark of a good relationship is communication and good sex. Okay, well, that's thoughtful. Um, Typical Sunday, you shopping at Sephora while I wait outside. Oh my god, he gets it. Oh my god, are you paying for the Sephora? I don't really like makeup that much, but I like Sephora. Get scents, creams, glitter. Um, how old did I say he was? 29. Um, is he rapping? No. Oh, wait. No, I don't think he's rapping. Oh, literally, he's rapping. Is this him rapping? Or is that Burna Boy? God, I can't see anything. Um, let's see. One thing I'll never do again is look at another woman after we match. This guy just seems like a good time. I'm gonna like him. Um, A25. Um, let's see. It's just kind of a meh. I don't know what it is that strikes me as meh about it, but maybe because I can't see his face very well in the things. I don't know. He's kind of cute. Let's give him a yeah. I go crazy for muscles. Is that on me or on you? I think I had a dream that I had muscles. I don't know. That's pretty good for me, honestly. I'm just holding my breath. I'm not even flexing. But 25 is gonna be a no. Maybe that's why this. So you literally haven't had any life experience. There's no pictures. Um, L32. Foreman. Not really a blue collar gal. I kind of like some book smart, so I'm gonna pass. Um, that's not on all blue collar 24 years old. No. Okay, V46. Um, he's got dog. He has friends. That's very nice, but I just there's a no there. Okay, E How old are you? 33. Hinge doesn't put the age right next to people's names, so I have to like scroll down to do it. So dating me is like planting a tree. It takes patience, but you'll end up with something real and lasting. I play a lot, and dating should be fun. That all sounds fine, but if you're looking at it like I am, he's put all commas in this, so it's just like a really weird run-on sentence. Grammar does matter to me, but maybe English isn't his first language. Oh yeah, he's Nigerian. Okay, that's fine. I'm not mad at you anymore. You were like trying to do grammar. How many languages do you speak, and how many languages do I speak? I'm trying to say that he speaks more languages than me, inherently. But he's kind of beautiful. He's in real estate. Okay, let's give him a like. I would have a drink with him. Okay, S 27 5'7". That's too short of a short king for me, and for them. Like it really makes dudes sad when they're so much shorter. I think it's hot, but self-esteem's a bitch. S 45, director of design. Okay. Are you though? Okay. If loving this is wrong, I don't want to be right. This prompt is based off a 1972 song about infidelity. This is like a letter that he should have written to Hinge, but he's just writing it here. It's been covered by 30 artists, including Millie Jackson, Tom Jones, and Barbara Mandrell. Not sure what it says about using it here, but I stand by my choices. Okay, that was a little confusing. Where are you from that your English was a little choppy? You seem to be Canadian. You just can't use the English? Change my mind about what really matters is what you like, not what you are. Books, records, films, these things matter. Call me shallow, but it's the fucking truth. I don't think books make a person shallow. That's fucking dumb. This dude's dumb. I'm so... Oh, dumb makes me mad. Dumb is not for me. Like, unless you're gonna be like cute and dumb, you know? Or young and dumb, then that's kind of like endearing. But like, this is the type of dude that would just like mansplain shit to me the whole evening, and I would have to kick him in the nads to leave. I guess we'll call that a no. Let's see. Z 23. We can't with you. Stop sending me these. N 25. No. H 29. Okay, that's reasonable. Dating me is like your favorite playlist, steady, exciting, and full of vibes. I'll keep things fun, thoughtful, and genuine with a mix of deep conversation, random adventures, and moments that make you feel truly seen. Woo, that's cool. He sounds like this sounds like a gigolo ad, like the boyfriend experience, you know? Which, by the way, that's what I think I do have a date this weekend. And I was thinking about like what I want to do. And what I actually told him I wanted to do was drink cider and watch trap music videos. So I'm thinking of literally doing that. And that to me would be the boyfriend experience, because that's not a normal first date. But like, if I have to do this, if I no one's making me do this, if I have to do this, then I might as well do it my way. Burger King or whatever. Right. So vibes. Where did we leave off? Vibes. I just don't think you're that cute for me. Otherwise, vibes. It's awesome. Nope. M2658. Oh, you're cute, but I'm gonna have to pass. No. Depends on which one you are. There's two people in the starting picture. C37. C37. Let's go. Let's go. Nah. It's too blockheady. The people that I pass on because of their like look, it's not that they're ugly people. No one is ugly. Someone is. That's a. This saying like a face that only a mother could love. I'm not good looking enough to be calling people ugly. That's why I'm just passing instead of like digging on people. That's just not nice. No one's ugly. Just some people I find attractive and some people I do not. So, or devoir. Let's reloading. D. Oh, 21. I wanted to know how old he was because his life goal of his. He just says be rich. Like, I agree. Don't know how to do it. Don't know how to accomplish that. Come on, hotties, thotties, bodies. 20 years old. Jesus. Okay. M. 35. Great. Cinematographer at film industry. Great. Good for you. English is not his first language. I don't know. See if I wasn't trying to. Oh, he's from Munich. That's cool. I feel like I'd like to talk to him, but I don't think I want to jump his bones. If you will. If you will indulge me in such idioms. Idiotic idioms. Oh, it's a problem when it's just gray sweatsuit and a disembodied, like there's no head in the picture. That's a super red flag. I don't care. Oh, he's 18. Oh, Jesus Christ. 18-year-olds should not be able to use this, I don't think. Life goal of mine is you adding my Snap. And there are like a bunch of sixes in it. That's so cool. If I found my son on, like, this kid could be my son. If I found him on Hinge, I would, like, I don't know. I guess I would just make fun of him. I'd just give him a hard time and let him do whatever he wants. That's hilarious. Okay. No, darling. No, sweetheart. I'm sorry, baby. Oh, too bad, so sad. See, I was trying to get 5 in 15 minutes, but I don't think that's possible. Damn it. Damn it. How many did I get? Did I send like 2 likes? M45. He works for the city of Vancouver. Now that would be funny for me. I love the city of Vancouver. I'm regular at doing the dishes after dinner. Like I clean dishes, lol. Um, I don't fancy him that much. He's another one that I like want to talk to, but don't really want to get all up in. Do I? No. Because then I just won't talk to them. That's the thing. And then I'm getting people's. This guy's kind of cute. 24. Okay. Hinge review. Why are there there's like guys over 40 and then 18-year-olds. I don't understand how this is supposed to work, but I'm bored. No. I'm over it. I feel stressed out. No, I don't feel stressed out. I feel like I want to lay down, and like not because of Hinge, just because I want to lay down now. I just want to watch whatever reality, Too Hot to Handle. I just want to watch Too Hot to Handle, and that might be another thing that I make my date do this weekend, is watch Too Hot to Handle with me. That would be hot, because I just want to do what I want to do, man. Get on board, or leave me alone. Alrighty then. Fuck outta here.